Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today, waking up the energy of your body. Inhale, sweep your arms forward and up. Exhale, lower your arms, sweeping back. Continue coordinating this movement with your breath, increasing circulation through your upper body, stretching through your arms and shoulder joints. Adding on, inhale, reach your arms overhead, lifting through your right leg. Exhale, lower your arms and leg, repeating on the opposite side. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps. Continue here, or for more of a challenge, reach through one arm as you lift through the opposite leg. Continue moving at your own pace, sitting tall, lightly lifting through your lower belly, feeling this action awaken your center. Continue here, or adding a leg extension as you continue breathing deeply, keeping your navel back towards your spine, feeling a gentle stretch through your hamstrings and calf muscles. Release and return to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.